Okay, so now after it took probably an hour or more, the setup has finally completed. So I will launch the Exchange Administration Center EAC just after I hit finish. I will make the full screen so we can have better visibility. It should come up soon. Okay. Sorry, it's just installing virtual machine on a laptop, and the Exchange server actually is resource consuming software. That's why, as you can see, it's a bit taking time, but we will be patient. Actually, it should come up soon. It should come up soon. Okay, great. As you can see here, it's asking me for domain username and password. So I enter my domain, Miruji.net / Miruji, and the password. Sign in. Do you want? No, I don't want. Thank you. Not for this site. Great. As you can see here, the admin center will start. The only person that was set up with a mailbox is actually the only user that exists, with which I created the account. As you can see, recipients, mailboxes, groups, resources, contact, share mailbox, migration. This is if we need to migrate from an earlier version of Exchange server or from a mailbox database to another. Permissions. Those are the admin roles, user roles, and Outlook. Here we set Outlook web app policies, compliance management, organization, protection, mail flow, mobile, and all the stuff. Servers, I should have only one server, which is the one I installed. It's SCCMUX. It's our mailbox with the 2 roles that are installed. Let's go back to recipients. So I try to edit my user actually. Yes, it has a mailbox. All good. Mailbox usage, that's fine. I have never connected with. That's completely fine. Okay, great. Okay, so here I'll try to create another user, new user from here. Alias is what will be the login name for the user, so let's name it. What should I name it? EXCH test, for example. it's a new user, so the name is ch test for the last name, organizational unit, so I will leave it by default, user logon, so this will be ch test, password, I'll give a password for it, so I hope. More options. This is in case you want to specify a mailbox database. This is in case you have many. In my case, I have only the default one. I didn't create any mailbox database as of yet, so I will leave it by default. Okay, and I will hit save. So it should come up soon. Okay, great. Here we see my user was created, so it's going to be created in the Active Directory as well. Before I didn't have this user, so now if I go to the Active Directory, I should find it there, but I will do it later, not now. So in this one, I want to see something, so it's probably in Mailflow maybe. I go to send connectors. I try to add an SMTP server. Custom. So I'll keep it custom. I will enter the name mail.imergnet.com. This is one thing I just did earlier. In the other server, the domain controller with the DNS role is installed. Sorry, just bear with me. It's taking a little time to show what I have here. Please come on. Okay, here as you can see, before I didn't have this CNAME mail. I just created. It's an alias pointing to my mail exchange mail server, which is CA-SCCM-EX, and I created also a mail MX record. This will be used by the SMTP. So I will name it mail.imergnet.com. Next, MX record associated. Yes, it is. Next, space address. Specify the address, space or spaces that will be used. So I think it's a fully qualified domain. I will make it the one that I just created. .com. Save. I have only one server. It's my transport role, which is CA-SCCM. Then finish. Okay. Great. So now if I go back to recipients, I will try to log into OWA. So it's https mail.imergnet.com/OWA. That's normal because the certificate is self-signed, it's not from an authority. That's why I will say yes, no problem, continue to this website. It's only signed by my exchange organization. imergnet /Emergy and I will. Not for this website. This is normal. The first time it's asking you to log in, it asks for the language and the time zone. English, United States, that's fine, no problem. For the time zone, Eastern Time, US and Canada, -5, yes, this one. Here it is. Save. Great. Here we are. As you can see, it's connecting to my Outlook mail. Everything is good, up and running. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for supporting me. I wish you a good day.